For motorcyclists seeking integrated communication and audio solutions, this wireless intercom headset presents a versatile option. Designed specifically for helmet integration, it aims to enhance the riding experience by keeping riders connected and entertained on the road. At its core, this device functions as a robust Bluetooth intercom headset, facilitating clear wireless communication. Whether used as a single unit or paired with another, it enables seamless interphone conversations between riders or between a rider and passenger. Beyond direct communication, its Bluetooth capability extends to hands-free calling, allowing users to manage phone conversations without distraction, and functions as a personal headphone for audio playback, ensuring access to music or navigation prompts during journeys. In practical terms, the system supports various scenarios common to motorcycle riding. Group rides benefit from the ability to maintain continuous communication, enhancing coordination and shared experiences. For solo riders, the hands-free calling and audio playback capabilities provide convenience and entertainment, while the integration with navigation ensures directional guidance is always accessible. Reliability in varied riding conditions is a key consideration, and the waterproof design addresses this directly, ensuring performance in adverse weather. Its wireless nature and design for motorcycle helmet use suggest a focus on usability, aiming for straightforward integration and operation that complements the riding environment. The hands-free calling feature further underscores its design for practical, on-the-go functionality. Ultimately, this motorcycle helmet Bluetooth intercom headset offers a comprehensive solution for connectivity and audio on two wheels. By combining wireless intercom functionality with hands-free calling and personal audio playback, all within a waterproof and helmet-compatible design, it aims to provide a reliable and convenient experience for motorcyclists.